This is Vishwanath describing this. Srila Jiva Goswami describes in Vaishnav Toshni. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is said, Brahma Bhuta Prasanatma Nasochati Nakankshati Samasraveshu Bhuteshu Mad Bhaktim Labhate Param. One who is situated in a transcendental position beyond the contamination of the three modes of material nature, that means Brahma Bhuta, he's liberated. He's fully satisfied in the self, Prasanatma, and he doesn't hanker or lament for anything. You hanker when you have desire, Bhogacha. And who looks equally upon all living beings, he attains parabhakti to me. So Krishna is telling Arjuna in the Gita, you want to attain parabhakti? You have to become really qualified. You have to apply all your gyan and all your tapasya and all your tapabalam. You have to control all your urges and get free from all these things. Then you can get. Now, what does Jiva Goswami explain? In the Gita verse, Krishna says that one attains parabhakti only after the disappearance of the diseases of the heart. This is what many people are preaching in ISKCON. They say, oh, first in Nartanivriti, then you can read about Krishna's pastimes. And they'll quote this verse. But they said only half the hen, only half the, the front, that's not the full picture. But in the Srimad Bhagavatam verse, 10:33-39, it's said by Shukadeva Goswami that Parabhakti, who's one of the Mahajans also, Jodhasa Mahajans, Bali Vayasaki, that one attains parabhakti even before the departure of lust, anger, and greed. As he's saying, rid rogam kaman. Rid rogam kaman. Your heart is full of lust, kama. But this, you'll get parabhakti first and then this lust will go. Consequently, it is understood, Jiva Goswami says, that hearing and chanting of Rasa Lila is one of the most powerful forms of sadhana. And in the Sanskrit words commentary of Vaishnav Toshni, which is Jiva Goswami's commentary on 10:33-39, he says, Parama baladevadam sadhanam. Parama balava, this is balava, it should be balavevadam sadhanam. Baladev, right? Power. Parama, this is the topmost powerful form of sadhana.